Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is about adding the delete functionality to our count app. Before proceeding to this video, please watch the previous video where we have added a button called increment, which will increment the numbers from 0 to n numbers on a single click. So please watch that video. So we have to add a delete button here. I have already added a delete button and give it an ID of your choice. You can give any ID, let's say del hyphen L, del hyphen L, okay. You can give any ID, there is no problem in that. Next, we have to call that ID here in the JavaScript using document.getElementById. Let's say let del equal to document.getElementById, and here you have to give that same ID here, which is del hyphen L. Let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, and let's move on to the delete functionality. How to provide that delete functionality? We have to grab this del here, del dot. We have to create an event listener, separate event listener for this. Add event listener and click comma function, and here you have to give count equal to, you have to give an empty string. Okay, yeah, you don't need to provide anything here, just keep these two double quotes with empty content in it. Okay, let's move on to the paragraph where we have to render this empty count. So we'll move to para dot, we have to render it text content equal to this count. Okay, so let's run this. Let's go to the run live server, and if you see, if we increment, it is incrementing, and if we delete, it is completely deleting it. Okay, see, it is deleting it. Okay, now, okay, let's say give it as 0 instead of deleting it completely. I'm giving it as 0. See, let's see what it shows on this page. Okay, this looks good than the previous one. At least it is showing that number, right? And instead of deleting it completely, it is showing it as a 0, incrementing, and if you delete it, it will go back to 0. Okay, that looks better. Okay, I have added some CSS to the buttons. Please check this. We have added a background color of RGB 0, 255, 251. Okay, these are the CSS which are provided for a button, and this is for a paragraph. Okay, this PG is the class which I have given to the paragraph. See, class equal to PG. For button also we can give a class separately, but if you have a multiple buttons, so you have to give a separate class to each of the buttons. If you have only two or just a single button, you can directly give button here like this. If you have multiple buttons, more than 2 or more than 3, you can give a separate class to it. Okay, thanks for watching.